I'm Dr. Tony Simoni. So recently a patient asked me, why would I go to you, Dr. T, versus the 13 other chiropractors that I passed on the way to your office? And I think one big reason is I've been around chiropractic my whole life. I'm passionate about being a chiropractor. I'm even more passionate about getting my patients real results. We treat patients of all ages and a variety of issues. So whether you suffer from neck pain, back pain, headaches, or just wish to enhance your mobility, we're dedicated to your well-being. So my approach is highly personalized and concierge-like. Every patient has access to my cell phone number for any questions or concerns. So during your initial visit, I'm gonna thoroughly review medical history with you. We're gonna conduct a comprehensive exam, and I'm gonna discuss your health goals. So what can't you do now that you wanna do? And we're gonna talk about those things. And a lot of times, those are answers that we can provide the solutions for. I look forward to meeting you. See you soon.